In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your transaction history on Kucoin. Now, if you're a frequent user of this crypto exchange, knowing how to navigate to your past transactions is essential for tracking and managing your investments. Whether you're looking to review your trading history or just keep a close eye on your financial activities, this guide will walk you through the entire process in an easy and clear way. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Kucoin website. For those who might be new to Kucoin, it's a popular cryptocurrency exchange where users can trade in a variety of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. This will make navigation a breeze as we continue. Next up, at the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see the Login button. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login details. Please ensure that you have your account information handy. It's also a good time to mention that keeping your login credentials secure is crucial. Opt for strong passwords and consider using a password manager for added security. Once you're logged in, you'll be automatically directed back to the Kucoin homepage. From here, you need to hover over or click on Assets in the top menu. This will open a drop-down that provides you with a few different options. But for our purposes, you're going to go to the Assets Overview page. This section acts like your dashboard for all things asset-related on your account, giving you a clear view of your balances and recent activity. Inside the Assets Overview, you'll spot an option simply labeled Assets. Click on that. And now you're really diving into the details of your account. On this page, you'll notice various tabs that give insights into your holdings. Feel free to explore these tabs if you're curious, but let's stay focused on our task today. To find your transaction history, look for the tab marked History. Clicking on it will open up a detailed log of all your past transactions. Here, you can view everything from deposits and withdrawals to trading activity. This can be particularly useful for bookkeeping or just keeping a personal account of your trading journey. That's it. You've successfully accessed your transaction history on Kucoin. Remember, keeping a regular check on your transactions can help you make informed decisions in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy trading!